Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So recently I've been getting a lot of compliments on my memory wall slash art wall slash gallery wall, whatever you want to call it. So in this video I'm gonna give you a little tour of my wall, like the memories I put up on my wall, what they mean to me. I'm not gonna make it a really long video because I'm not gonna explain everything on my wall, but just the things that I love the most on my wall. And I'm gonna give you guys a few tips just to get the struggle of the Pinterest worthy wall out of the way. My first tip is really important, and that is to just use Pinterest as an inspiration, not as an example. Of course you want the Pinterest worthy wall and you want it exactly to be like the image that you have in your head, but it's not going to be like that because that is not your room. I feel like sometimes I pressure myself a lot to have the exact same wall as I see on Pinterest, the exact same like decoration on my wall as I see on Pinterest, but that is not how it goes. So please just remind yourself that Pinterest is just as an inspiration and you can make your own very cool wall that looks exactly how you want it, but more personal. My second tip is kind of really helpful, is to not just stop at paper. Don't stop at pictures and frames. You can go all the way. You can put on a hat, you can put on a dream catcher, records, CDs, flowers, everything you like you can put on your wall. So don't just stop at pictures or Polaroids. The sun just built on me because I'm using natural lighting today. So if the lighting is different, I'm sorry. My third tip is to collect things that have memories for you. Things that you love, things that spark joy, not things that you want to put on your wall because it fits the Instagram picture. For example, I only collect things that spark joy to me on my wall. So let's just say this thing has actually a lot of memories. This used to be on my phone case when I was 15 years old. It was a really weird time for me and I really like this phone case, but it broke, so I cut the feather out of it and it's glow in the dark. But it just reminds me of like me going through puberty, even though I'm still going through puberty kind of. It's a memory and not something that I've kept for the Instagram pic. And you can put it up as long as you want, you can change it up, you can take it down. I personally think I'm gonna take this down in a few months from now because right now I really like it, but maybe in a few months I will get bored of it because I get bored of stuff really easily. So those were my tips, and now we're just gonna get into the really short tour of everything on my wall that has a lot of memories. If you find this video helpful at all, just give it a big thumbs up so I know you guys liked it. And be sure to subscribe if you want to see more DIY and lifestyle videos. No, I don't make lifestyle videos. What am I saying? Aesthetic videos. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend or your week or your month or your year. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!